not a strength until it's harmonized and united properly. Dr. Sardar Vallabhai Patel. This saying holds absolutely true in today's world as I stand here warmly welcoming one God present here. The Iron Man of India, Dr. Sardar Vallabhai Patel, has constantly believed that creating a well-knit and united society can be only done by boosting communal harmony. Communal harmony is one of the linchpins of a society, and if left untended, the door is certainly open for grave consequences. Also, Dr. Sardar Vallabhai Patel has constantly believed that diversity is a thing to cherish, not fear. The world is now at a crucial juncture to boost communal harmony and foster unity among citizens. Harmony and unity are like two sides of a coin. Dr. Patel was a true keystone in uniting the states of modern India. He used wit, diplomacy, unity and harmony to taste success in a successful endeavor. So, from now on, we should start and uphold these valuable ideals of unity and harmony. So, fraternities must start mingling with each other and give up superstitious and stereotypical practices. Most importantly, citizens should stop viewing other cultures with a suspicious eye. So, we students and teachers on behalf of the Indian public school strongly urge you to uphold and follow the valuable principles of unity and harmony. So, let's cherish and fulfill the dream of a revolutionary Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Thank you.